What you face when you did not pay back. Long ago, in the peaceful village of Ajat, there lived two close friends named Divine and Destiny. One day, Destiny borrowed a bag of rice and some money from Divine. He promised to repay everything after selling his farm produce. When harvest season came, Destiny earned enough money, but instead of paying Divine back, he spent it on expensive clothes and parties. Whenever Divine politely asked for his money, Destiny kept making excuses. As time passed, people in the village heard about Destiny's broken promise. Soon, no one wanted to lend him money or trust him with their belongings. Even when he truly needed help, everyone remembered that he never paid back what he borrowed. Months later, Destiny's farm was destroyed by a heavy storm. He desperately needed help to start again, but no one was willing to lend him anything. Divine felt sorry for his old friend. Instead of seeking revenge, he visited Destiny and said, "Keeping your promises is more valuable than money." Ashamed of his actions, Destiny apologized to Divine and to everyone he had disappointed. He worked hard, repaid every debt he owed, and slowly regained the trust of the villagers. From that day forward, Destiny became known as an honest and trustworthy man who always kept his word. The people of Ajah learned that trust is difficult to earn but easy to lose. Moral: always pay back what you borrow and keep your promises, because trust is one of life's greatest treasures.